Miss Michelle, how would you like to make some spiders out of salt dough? It's so easy and it's so fun to make. So we will take 2 cups of flour, pour,
the incy-wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
2 cups of flour,
Out came the sun and
salt,
dried up all the rain.
1 cup.
And the incy-wincy
Whoa,
spider
pour.
went up the spout
Wow. Pour.
Then the little spider began to weave her thread.
Wow. 1 cup of salt.
Gossamer and silk, she spun
Kool Aid,
herself
orange of
a
course.
thread.
Ready?
Round and round she went till all her
Oh, let's put some
was
more.
done.
Let's put more. Ready?
Soon a magic web lay gleaming in the
Stir.
sun.
Stir. Mix. Stir. Whoa, oops. Miss Michelle, stop making a mess. Water. Pour the water. Stir. Oh, look at the orange. Orange. Stir. Look at this, guys. Oh boy, it looks like Play-Doh.
What we say is what we do. R-S-T-U.
Wow. Okay, guys, now is the fun part.
I love you.
Now we just get our hands in it. Ready? Get messy. Get messy. Get messy. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at our orange dough, boys and girls. Wow. This is called kneading the dough. Oh, you have to do this a lot. Wow. Oh, it feels so good, you guys. You're going to love this. Look at this. And then we're going to make a spider. I made long spiders with long legs. Let's make a little spider. A little round one. We can pound. And then we're going to use pipe cleaners for the legs. Spiders have 8 legs. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Voila! Here's your spider, boys and girls. So you can leave it out in the sun to dry. Let it dry this way, let it dry that way. Or if you're in a hurry and you don't want to wait, you can have your mommy or daddy help you put it on a pan, and you can put it in the oven at 150 for a little while. Keep an eye on it. Okay, boys and girls, have fun. Have fun with your dough. Make lots of fun things for Halloween, okay? I'll see you soon, I hope. Bye, friends. Bye, friends.